We've had some really good training sessions under our belts, so we're gelling really well as a team like usual. Got some really positive displays out on the pitch as well.
You know, it's always nice to come away and be with the girls for such a long span of time. We get to focus on the things that we need to focus on with regards to the qualifiers coming up and starting in August. But also we have some time to spend together to get to know each other a little bit better off the field, which I think is just as important as the things that we do on the field.
I think it's important when you spend 10 days out on an international camp that you do team bonding activities and things that you can just switch your mind off football, and yeah, it's really important that you do those things so that you get better performances out on the pitch.
We're trying to make sure we get our squad right going into the next qualifiers, and we need to know each other in and out on the field and off the field, because you have to be comfortable with each other.
We're now in the period of treating these friendlies over the next 6 months as kind of mock qualifiers, so we're going to be approaching them seriously and really hoping to get some good results to put us in a good place come September.
The game on Tuesday against Ireland is where we need to kind of go, right, okay, we've put all this into practice now, we've been able to work on it for the last 6 months, you could say, when we went to Portugal and then Italy, and now this is the game where it comes and we really try and put it together and look at it as if it is a qualifier. It's important for Wales as a nation, for one, but more so our squad right now. You know, we want that support. To have our first home game be a sellout and be huge and have great fans is what we want. We're going to go there, we're trying to win every game and trying to do an automatic qualification. You know, this is an exciting time now. This is a qualifier where, you know, the World Cup was probably, if we were looking at it before we started that campaign, we would probably say it's preparation for the Euro campaign. We just happened to do really well in that one, and everyone loved it. So my message to them is the Euro campaign is going to be even better. And so they should want to be a part of that, and I hope that they are.